Can you keep the cover on the driver's side and passenger side? We'll keep the grapple good.
Good grapple. Good grapple. Good grapple. Good grapple.
All right, move over to the left. Put your hands up.
Good grapple.
We're going to be southbound Little Rock. Southbound Little Rock, attempting grapple.
Southbound Little Rock.
Good grapple, good south of
Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down.
Say what? Almost up.
Okay, I'm gonna wait for you then.
Gregory.
That's not already?
He just went over on. Vehicle is going to spin out.
Grapple.
Covers the balcony door. 30 back.
Yes. Proceed.
Grapple. At 5-6 northbound.
$21, yeah, it's a
Put your hands up!
40 can training advice. They got one running row and 50.
Stop! Put it in park! Put it in park!
Well,
Put it in park!
is this thing? Oh, there's this thing.
Breaking southbound on 9th Street.
Grapple. Fill out.
Let's go for 950. Any outstanding?
Grappled. Someone get up here. He just made a U-turn. He's still grappled. He's trying to go northbound. We're right across from these Outwater at West Chase Apartments. He's still grappled. He's trying to move forward with the car.
Stay on your
Sir,
face.
what did I do?
On your face.
Lay down on the ground.
On your
Face
face.
down.
On your face.
You got a gun?
On your face. Because you're bleeding.
Good grapple.
Good grapple.
Good job, sir. Traffic barrier. Good work. Turn 60 tempo, on someone. Lincoln,
Take off again, watch out. Confirm you said southbound.
11,000 block I-5 south.
Grapple, grapple, grapple. Somebody get a rear pin on it. Grappler 6.
On February 19th, 2026, detectives with LMPD's CID unit located 2 subjects driving a stolen vehicle. Officers from the SWAT team and Metro DFR program quickly converged on the area to assist. When the vehicle drove onto the interstate, officers quickly shut down the roadway, allowing the SWAT team to deploy a grappler to safely bring the car to a stop. Both subjects attempted to flee on foot. One was apprehended immediately, while the second was followed by a drone and taken into custody a short distance away.
340 I'm still at 67 miles an hour. And 342 without a 15 grapple. Good grapple.
Copy, good grapple. Additional units, emergency traffic on main, emergency traffic on main, avoid me. Copy, good grapple. Additional units, emergency traffic on main, emergency traffic on main, avoid me.
No, don't move. You understand? I understand.
Yep. Like that, yeah, please.
I copy.
Grab what, Alfred?
Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. I repeat, fish on.
Back up, reactor back up. Straight up, straight back. Go to your left, your left, your left, your left, your left, your left. Step out of the vehicle, hands up. Great job on the grapple.
Coming into town, speed down to about 60. No traffic. Before 6 speeds about 95, we're coming into China right now to the market. 95 minutes now. Good grapple, good grapple. Good grapple.
We are lead unit. We're coming up to a red light here at Sibley.
Alright, we're going. We're going.
Attempting to grapple right now. Oh, we got him, we got him.
Hands up! Hands up!
Once Air 1 located the vehicle, the crew maintained continuous visual contact as the suspect traveled through multiple residential areas and into the city of Phoenix, as officers prepared to safely conduct a traffic stop. When the suspect refused to yield and fled at high speed, the aviation unit remained overhead, tracking every movement from a safe distance, while ground units adjusted tactics accordingly. During an attempted pit maneuver, the suspect threw drug paraphernalia from the driver's side window. Air 1 captured the moment on camera and later provided the exact location where the evidence was discarded, allowing officers to successfully recover the items. For nearly 3 hours, Air 1 tracked the suspect across the valley, providing critical updates, enhancing officer safety, and supporting coordinated enforcement efforts between multiple agencies. The pursuit ultimately came to an end when the suspect vehicle was successfully grappled and the suspect was taken into custody. This incident highlights the value of aviation resources in modern policing.